Hey, what's up, guys? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, guys, here in Jacksonville, Florida. First of all, I want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, and if it's your first time watching one of my videos, thank you. I do want to say that if you are here, if you are a home business entrepreneur, if you are an affiliate marketer, and you want to learn how to grow, your affiliate marketing business or home-based business using the power of the internet, you come to the right channel. Here we focus on mindset, marketing, tips, and different tools to help you grow your business. I do want to say that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want to say I would love to have you as a subscriber on my channel. And if you do get value from this video, I would love to hear it in the comments. So the title of this video is Affiliate Marketers Reveal Exactly What They Would Do to Make $3,000 in 30 Days from Social Media. So here I am at the page, and this is a great video from the guys and gals over at MLSP. So it says here, the title of it, 6 top affiliates reveal exactly what they would do if they had to start all over from scratch with no list, no money, and no influence, and then make $3,000 in 30 days from social media. This is, as it says here, this is not some theory type of training. This is a high-level roundtable mastermind with specific actions for all home business owners like yourself to make a quick $3,000 in 30 days for free via social media. So I put this out here because I thought that, that this could become very valuable for you guys as you're building your, whether it be network marketing or affiliate marketing business. But if you use social media, this would be great for you. So this little reveal is about an hour and 30 minutes long, as you can see here. But what I want to do is I want to give you a quick sneak peek of it, and then I'll come back to you, and then I'll kind of tell you where you can get the rest of that, this little quick reveal here. Okay, here we go.
So we've got our initial guests here. We are ready to get started. So here's the way this is going to go. We've got a little bit of a challenge for our guests. We're putting them on the spot. Here's how it's going to work. As if you registered on our capture page, I'm just going to pull up the title for our little presentation here. This is the challenge right here. So this is going to be really relevant. Anybody in the audience right now who would like to make $3,000 extra cash in 30 days from today, give me an X in the chat right now. Give me an X in the chat if you would like to make $3,000 in 30 days, because that is the challenge that we're going to pose to each one of our guests. They're going to have 7 minutes to answer, to give you their strategy, to tell you exactly what they would do. Now, no list. That means they can't use their existing email list. They don't have any money to spend on advertising or buy some kind of promotion or anything like that. They don't necessarily have any influence. They haven't built any sizable audience yet. So we're forcing them to start from scratch as if they were in your shoes, getting started right now. You don't have any of the assets in place, but you want to make $3,000 in 30 days. What are you going to do? Each one of our guests is going to get 7 minutes to answer this question. It's going to be a bit of a fire round really quick, so make sure you're taking notes to get these tips. All right? So, with that said, here we go. Let's get started. Our first challenger for tonight is going to be Lindsay Sewell. And Lindsay, if you guys don't know, she's been with us for quite a bit of time now. Amazing marketer. But what's awesome about Lindsay is she's a stay-at-home mom. She's got 2 little kids, and she's able to, manage her household, run a family, raise her kids, all while growing her business. So she's got some very specific, time constraints and responsibility constraints that I'm sure a lot of you listening right now can relate to as well. So Lindsay, I'm going to set my timer here, and I'm going to keep you guys on time. So I'm giving you guys 7 minutes. You've got 1 minute extra time. I'm going to give you a warning at 7. I hope that you're done. But if you're not, I'll give you an extra minute, and we'll be able to do that. Okay? All right. With that said, I'm going to just stop sharing the screen here. I'm going to turn it over to Lindsay.
All right.
And Lindsay, you can take it away.
All right. So if I had to make $3,000 in the next 30 days, the first thing I would do is I would figure out who's the audience that I'm looking for. If it's my network marketing business and maybe I'm in health and wellness, I'm looking for moms that want to lose weight, or I'm looking for people that want to start a home business, I need to know who's the audience that I'm looking for and what is it that I have that I can offer them. And the second thing that I need to do then is I have to figure out what my numbers are. And I would be adding in a coaching component because that is one of the fastest.
All right, guys. So that's a little snippet for you. Of course, if you do want to see more, there will be a link at the bottom where you can actually take a look at the whole entire video here. It's like an hour and 27 minutes. But that's it. That's really quick. Just so you know that there's also something that you'll see. There's a link here about a 3-day sensitive experience that actually starts this Friday. But if you just want to consume the content of the video and learn all the information here, I will leave a link at the bottom. So guys, that is it. That's my little video for today. Again, guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. So if you want to learn how to make $3,000 in 30 days using social media, then definitely watch the rest of this video. Again, the link is at the bottom. I will see you guys in the next video. Again, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.